All right, so I'm about to blow your mind, for real. I'm a full-time content creator and I run a social media agency, and I can say with proof, there are so many slept on opportunities within social media that could make you a full-time passive income because people aren't going after them because they're not sexy. But I'm not exaggerating, I'm talking full-time solid income without you having to do any additional work. Once you set some things up, but we're gonna walk through that together. And one of my favorite ways to make passive income through social is through affiliate marketing. And this is something I've done personally, and I now make over 6 figures a year from this passive income stream because of doing exactly what I'm gonna show you how to do. So let's dive in. All right, so go over to your best friend Googs, and then we're gonna type in best affiliate programs. It's that simple. Scroll through the articles and pick an affiliate offer that you want to promote. For this example, let's promote Elementor, which is a website page builder. Then come over to Google's cousin, YouTube, and use my favorite tool, vidIQ, and it's particularly the keyword inspector tool. Then within this tool, type in the primary keyword, which is the name of the program we're promoting, and click search right there. This will now give you in-demand videos and specific numbers for how many people are searching for this exact phrase per month. What you're gonna do is go through that list and write down every one of those keyword phrases that vidIQ popped up. You're then gonna go through and make a specific video targeting each one of those keywords, which you will then post on YouTube. And because these videos are all in demand and people are actually searching for this, if you rank for that keyword, the people who search that phrase are gonna find your video. And I can already hear the negative Nancy's saying that those are gonna be too competitive. And yes, absolutely, some of them will be, but YouTube loves relevancy. So if you go after a less competitive keyword where there's not a lot of competition and you target the video specifically for that, you will be surprised how quickly you can rank even on a small channel. So stack a bunch of those up and just let time do its thing, because a YouTube video can rank for years. And I've done this personally with videos across multiple channels, and that income will stack up month over month. And you can do this as much as you want with as many channels as you want and as many offers as you want. You can go nuts here. Quick pro tip though, look for affiliate offers that pay monthly recurring commissions. This way, if it's a great product and someone stays with them for a long time, you keep getting paid month over month. It's a great way to really build up this income stream in a reliable way. Go nuts, thank me later. Don't forget to follow.